to Joy Cooking Show. My name is Joy. Today we have this great recipe. This is fish. We are going to make fish, bake fish. We're going to bake it, and this is the fresh fish we have here. This is fresh fish. This is mackerel fish, and we also have garlic here. So watch out and see how I am going to transform this fish to bake fish. And this fish is $15.90, and the garlic is $1.70. So watch out and see how I am going to transform this whole thing. So I have other ingredients at home that I'm going to add to this fish. So now I'm just going to take off the plastic bag. Use scissors to take it off. So these are all the fish. Wow, it's so big. These are mackerel fish. So just gonna cut them. They just 4 pieces for $15.90. And this is the fish, and we just have to start cutting it. It's very easy to cut. So I'm gonna be using knife. Right away I will be using knife to cut them to pieces. I'll be using knife to cut them to pieces. So right now we're just gonna cut all this fish. You need a very sharp knife to cut it. It's still frozen. I like it. After I bake it, we're just gonna use it to eat gari. You can use it to eat anything after bake. You can use it to make soup, stew, vegetable, salad, anything of your choice. You can use it to make. For me, I am roasting this to eat something that I've not eaten for so long, which is called gari. So right now we start to add all the ingredients. This is the garlic, and we're going to be adding, this is paprika, smoked paprika, and we're going to be adding salt. We'll have salt. And we're going to add a little bit of turmeric. Just a little bit of turmeric. And we're going to be adding chili pepper. One teaspoon of chili pepper. And we're going to add a little bit of oil. Any type of oil. This is olive oil. You can add any, just a little bit to mix it with this bowl of spices. Remember, don't overpower it with spices and salt. So this is it. Just gonna mix everything together and take them to, I'm gonna bake it with air fryer, so it can be very, very delicious. So right now, this is the fish. Right now I'm gonna bring out I'm gonna be using air fryer. So just gonna arrange it inside the air fryer. how you do it with your air fryer. So right now I'm just gonna put this air fryer so they all can bake together. So this is the fish. Right now I'm just gonna put the minutes we're gonna do it for. I will put it on 400 degrees and 22 minutes for the both side. So thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. So right now we have to bring it out. So these are the fish. It's ready. It's time to take it out from the air fryer. Oh my god, this is so good. You can see how wonderful the fish is. It's so good and it cooks so well. Just gonna bring them out one after the other. So the excess oil from the fish is out also. So this is it. This is so good.
Mommy, this is Daddy.
This is good. So these are the fish. It's roast. I have to eat this fish with, oh my god, let me say, oh my god, this is so good. Oh, it's so good. You can see how fresh. I have to eat it with gari. You can also use it to make stew, soup, anything you like to make this fish with. So good. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. Bye for now.